Imagine a future where your investments skyrocket. Today we're diving into the top 6 coins you should consider investing in for 2025. Everyone wants to find that next Bitcoin, that coin that's going to skyrocket and bring them life-changing returns. But let's be real for a second, the crypto market is volatile, like really volatile. That's why today we're going to be looking at some of the projects that I think have the potential to weather the storms and come out on top in the long run. We're talking strong fundamentals, real-world use cases, and a little bit of that X factor that makes you say this could be huge. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this isn't financial advice, and these are just my own opinions. Do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Alright, enough disclaimers, let's get into the coins. First up, we have Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency. Even if you only vaguely know about crypto, you've heard of Bitcoin. It's the one that started it all, and it still dominates the market. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at insert current Bitcoin price. And while it's seen some pretty wild swings over the past year, it's still up significantly from where it was just a few years ago. Now, Bitcoin has its fair share of critics. Some say it's too slow, too energy intensive, and that its time in the sun is coming to an end. But you know what? Bitcoin has been declared dead more times than I can count, and it always seems to come back stronger. The thing about Bitcoin is that it has something that a lot of other cryptocurrencies lack: widespread recognition and adoption. When institutions think about dipping their toes into crypto, Bitcoin is often the first place they look. And as more and more companies and even countries start to adopt Bitcoin, its price could see some serious upward momentum. Now, I'm not saying Bitcoin is going to reach $1 million tomorrow or even next year, but as a long-term investment, I think Bitcoin still has the potential to generate some serious returns. Next, we're moving on to Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a whole platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps. This is where things get really interesting because these dApps have the potential to revolutionize everything from finance to gaming to how we interact with the internet as a whole. One of the biggest things Ethereum has going for it is its first mover advantage in the world of smart contracts. It was the first platform to really gain traction, and that's attracted a huge community of developers building all sorts of innovative applications. We're talking about decentralized finance, or DeFi, where you can lend, borrow, and earn interest on your crypto without needing a bank. We're talking about NFTs, which are unique digital assets that are changing the way we think about ownership. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Now, Ethereum has had its challenges, particularly when it comes to scalability and high gas fees. But with the move to Ethereum 2.0 and the switch to a proof-of-stake model, those issues are being addressed. Our third coin on the list is Cardano. Now, Cardano is often seen as a more scientifically rigorous and research-driven approach to blockchain technology. They've assembled a team of top-notch academics and engineers who are focused on building a platform that's secure, sustainable, and scalable. One of the things that sets Cardano apart is its focus on peer-reviewed research. Every step of the development process is carefully documented and vetted by experts in the field. This might sound a little dry, but it's actually really important. It means that Cardano is being built on a solid foundation, and that the team is committed to getting things right. Cardano is also making big strides in terms of real-world adoption. They've partnered with governments and organizations in developing countries to bring blockchain technology to areas that could really benefit from it. Now, Cardano has been criticized for being a bit slow to roll out new features, but I actually see that as a good thing. They're taking their time to make sure everything is done right, and that's important when you're building something as complex as a blockchain. I bet you didn't know how fast Solana really is. Moving on to number 4, we have Solana. Now, if you're looking for a blockchain that's fast, Solana is it. We're talking about transaction speeds that are significantly faster than Ethereum, and at a fraction of the cost. This has made Solana a favorite among developers building high-performance applications, particularly in the DeFi and NFT space. One of the things that makes Solana so fast is its unique consensus mechanism, called proof of history. Without getting too technical, this allows Solana to process transactions much more efficiently than traditional blockchains. Solana has also attracted a lot of attention from investors, and its market cap has exploded in recent months. This is partly due to the hype surrounding the platform, but it's also because Solana is actually delivering on its promises. Now, Solana is still a relatively new platform, and it remains to be seen whether it can maintain this level of growth. But with its speed, scalability, and growing ecosystem of applications, Solana is definitely one to watch. Next up, we have Polkadot. Now, Polkadot is a bit different from the other blockchains we've looked at so far. It's not trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, Polkadot is focused on one thing: interoperability. The idea behind Polkadot is to create a network of interconnected blockchains that can communicate and share data with each other. This is huge, because it solves one of the biggest problems facing the blockchain space: the lack of communication between different platforms. Imagine a future where you can seamlessly move your assets and data between different blockchains without having to worry about compatibility issues. That's the vision behind Polkadot. Polkadot has also fostered a really strong and passionate community, which is crucial for any blockchain project looking to succeed. They've got developers building on the platform, validators securing the network, and everyday users who believe in the vision. Last but not least, we have Chainlink. Chainlink might not be as flashy as some of the other projects on this list, but it's solving a critical problem for the blockchain industry: the Oracle problem. Here's the thing. Blockchains are really good at handling data that's already on the blockchain, but what about data from the real world, like stock prices, weather information, or shipping data? That's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink provides a secure and reliable way to bring real-world data onto the blockchain, which is essential for a wide range of applications. For example, a decentralized insurance platform could use Chainlink to access weather data to automatically pay out claims. Chainlink has already secured partnerships with some major players in the tech and finance world, which is a testament to the value it brings to the table. And with the increasing demand for reliable Oracle solutions, Chainlink is well positioned to become the go-to provider for blockchain applications that need access to real-world data. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Happy investing!